Today let's make biryani in easy way. To make chicken biryani, you will need 500 grams of chicken, ginger garlic, fresh coriander leaves, fresh mint leaves, green chili, onion, tomato and rice. Soak 500 grams of rice for half an hour. Spices required are commonly used in biryani: cinnamon, clove, cardamom, pepper, bay leaves. Crush half of the spices as this helps release flavor. Make a paste of all ingredients. Now heat some cooking oil in a cooker, add bay leaf and crushed spices. Add chopped onion and fry till golden brown. Add chicken to it and fry thoroughly with onion and spice. Add salt. Turmeric powder, chili powder and mix well. Now add the mixture of paste and stir well to combine with chicken masalas. Tomato, coriander leaf and mint leaf. Mix properly. Lastly, drain the water of rice and add it to the mixture of chicken. Add water. For 2 glass of rice, the proportion is 1.5 glass of water. Bring the mixer to a boil, then close the pressure cooker and cook for 2 whistles. Open the cooker after 10 to 15 minutes and your hot and spicy biryani is ready to serve.